Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily set up APNs on your EIOTCLUB data SIM card. So if your browsers cannot open a certain page, then check your APNs. So go over to the settings. Now after going into the settings, scroll all the way until you see mobile service. Now here in the mobile service, what you guys need to do is scroll a bit down until you guys see mobile data network. Now here, as you guys can see, we have the APNs, and the reason it's not working, you probably have the APN set to internet. But what you guys need to do here is change them to the BICS APN. Now do the same with the personal hotspot. And now they are all set up. Now we can leave and we can go back to the Safari, refresh the page, and everything should work now. So let's switch it up. Let's go over and go here. Now let's refresh, and as you guys can see, everything is working fine. Our internet is finally working. We can go over and type in internet, and as you guys can see, now our mobile data works. So that's how you guys can easily set up the APN. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.